What's up everybody? Welcome to another episode. In today's episode, we're gonna carry on where we ended off last time, which is taking the motor apart. Let's get into it. So this is the reason why the clutch didn't work. Luckily there's no damage here. But look at the release bearing. Like this thing is stuck on there. Well, we'll try and get that off. So from here on out, I think I'm just going to take off the exhaust manifold, turbo and the tensioner, and then we're going to get this on the engine stand. Okay, so this is where we're at. Still some small stuff left around the block and the head, and yeah, everything at the back is off, so we'll get these accessories and stuff off, and then we're going to open the motor. Now I know this is the part that everybody wants to see, but unfortunately that's where my video will end. No, I'm just kidding. Let's get into it. I just want to show you guys what I do here. I have a power bar here that I'm hooking onto the head. This is a relatively strong piece, and when you tighten the crank you do it the other way, so then you just hook it on this side. So I use old flywheel bolts, and then you basically just thread them in. The nice thing about them is they have sort of a lip, so this power bar sits nice and snug in there. Now you need to make sure that these are threaded in a lot, because you don't want to damage your crank. And yeah, like this power bar works perfectly, but if this is not if this doesn't fit properly, I'm pretty sure you will strip this, because this bolt is on like you won't believe. So yeah, let's try and get it out. Now comes the most difficult part, which is loosening the head bolts. So there's 5 on each side, 5, 5, so 10. This motor has never been opened, so it's probably going to be hard to remove them. Well, it's difficult either way, but now let's see. Okay. Let's try. Works. Sounds like glass breaking. don't think this is gonna work just yet. Okay. Back to time lapse. Looks good. Although we'll have to see what that is. The rest, there's no marks. Okay, except for maybe. Anyway, looks clean. Let's turn it, flip it over, and do the other side. Okay guys, that's gonna be it. The only thing that's left in this is the block and the crank, which I'll take to the engineer tomorrow. The rest of the stuff I'll need to package up. Yeah. I'm very tired and I'm dirty, so I'm just gonna take a shower and jump in bed. For now, that's gonna be it for this episode. I'll see you guys in the next one.